Good morning, students. So in our previous class we have studied first, second, third, fourth questions, and from fifth we will start today. Now see question number fifth of exercise 2C. What is given here? Jaya had 3 ribbons with her. The length of the green ribbon was 12 meter 50 centimeter. The red ribbon was 3 by 5 of the length of the green ribbon. The yellow ribbon was 2.5 times the red ribbon. What is the length of the yellow ribbon? Now see what it is given here. Jaya had 3 ribbons. How many ribbons she had? 3 ribbons. The length of the green ribbon was 12 meter 50 centimeter. Now see the length, total length is question number 5 of the green ribbon is equal to 12 meters 50 centimeter. 12 meter 50 centimeter. First of all you have to convert it into meters. So converting 12 meter 50 centimeter into meters, you will get here 12.5 meter. Okay, now see what it is given here. Now the red ribbon was 3 by 5 of the length of the green ribbon. Length of the red ribbon is equal to 3 by 5 of the green ribbon. Means what is given here? The green ribbon is 12.5 into 3 by 5. Now see, just divide it. 5 and 5, 5 to the 10, 2.5. So 2.5 into 3 means it is 7.5 meters. Now see, the yellow ribbon was 2.5 times of the red ribbon. Length of the yellow ribbon is equal to 2.5 times the red ribbon. 2.5 into 7.5 means 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into 7.5. See now here, for removing this point you have to multiply here by 10. So 5 by 20 into 75. Now see, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Now divide 75 by 4. Here we will divide 75 by 4. 4 ones are 4, remaining 3, 5, 4 8s are 32, 3. So your answer is 18 3 by 4 meters. Okay, question number 6. I will read out the question. 1800 people visited a book fair. 7 by 18 of them were men and 11 by 24 of them were ladies. The remaining were children. What fraction of them were children and how many children were present there? Now see, solution number 6. See, 1800 people visited a book fair. Total number of people visited a book fair equal to 1800. Now say 7 by 18 of them were men. How many men are there? You have to write there. Number of men is equal to 7 by 18 of total number of people. 7 by 18 into 1800. So divide it. 18 1s are 18, 0 0, it is 700. Number of men is equal to 1700. Now see, 11 by 24 of them were ladies. Number of women, number of ladies is equal to 11 by 24 into 1800. Now divide it. 12 divide by 2. When you divide it by 2, you will get here 12. 2 9s are 18, 0 0. Now divide by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9, 0 0. Now divide directly by 4. 4 7s are 28. 2 will remain here. 4 5s are 20. Now 11 multiply by 75. Now multiply it. 75 multiply by 11. 825. Number of ladies is equal to 825. Now see, out of 1800, 700 were men, 825 were ladies. Now you have to add this both to get the number of children. Now see how much are remaining there. See, men plus ladies is equal to 700 plus 825 means 5, 2 and 5, 15. 1525 were the men and women's are there. Now see, out of total you have to minus 1525. 1800 minus 1525 means how many children were there? 5, 7, 2. 275 children were there. Now see how to find the fraction of children is equal to 275 divided by 1800. Now see, when you divide it, you will get the answer 275 divided by 1800. Divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are 30. 0. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. So fraction of children is 11 by 72. Fraction and the number of children is 270. Number of children is equal to 275. Now see question number 7. The product of a fraction and the sum of 5 1 by 3 and 6 1 by 3 is 3. What is the fraction? See here, first of all, as you know, the product of fraction, but fraction is not given here, so we have to assume here A by B. Fraction is, as you know, fraction. Solution 7. Fraction I have explained in our first lecture. Fraction means A by B, but here what is given here, the product of fraction means A into B, A multiplied by B, and the sum of fraction given here 5 1 by 3 plus 6 1 by 3 is 3 means AB into 5 1 by 3 means 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 3 plus 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1 19 by 3 is equal to 3. AB into, now 16 plus 19, here we can take common because nothing is different here, so no need to take LCM here. 3, now 16 plus 19, that is 35 is equal to 3. Now see AB into 35 by 3 is equal to 3. Now see, you have to multiply 3 here and 35 will come here by in divide. AB is equal to 3 into 3 by 35 means AB is equal to 3 3 is 9 by 35. It is a answer. See, when a fraction is divided by the difference of 1 by 2 and 1 by 6, we get 2 by 3. What is the fraction? Now see, let the fraction, when a fraction is divided by the difference of 1 by 2 and 1 by 6, see, let the fraction be, let the fraction be A by B divided by the difference of, now see, A by B is divided by the difference. What is the difference given here? 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. We get here 2 by 3. Now we have to solve it. A by B divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. Here you have to take the LCM because denominator is not same here. So take LCM 2 and 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 1. So your LCM is 6. So 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. A by B divided by 3, 2 are 6 minus 1 by 6, 2 by 3. A by B divided by, here 3 minus 1 by 6, 2 by 3. Now see, A by B divided by 2 by 6 equal to 2 by 3. Now in our previous lecture we have studied when we have to divide, here you have to interchange the number and put here multiply. A by B into 6 by 2 equal to 2 by 3. Now A by B, see here 6A, or you can do directly A by B is equal to, now you have to do cross multiply, 2 into 2 and 6 into 3. So A by B is equal to 2 2s are 4 and 6 3s are 18. Now divide it, 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18. So the fraction you get here is 2 by 9. Okay, this is your answer. Now see question number 9. 1 by 8 of the passengers of a train were children. If there were 40 children traveling in the train on a certain day, how many adults were there in that same train? Now see, here let total number of passengers is not given here, so we have to assume here x. Say let the total number of passenger is equal to x. Now 1 by 8 of the passenger of train were children. Now see, x number of children is equal to 1 by 8 of the passenger. 1/8 of the passenger. Now see 1/8 into x, 1/8 into x is equal to 40 children were there. Now see x by 8 is equal to 40, x is equal to 320 were the children, 320 were the children. Now see what they are asking in the question. How many adults are there? Now number of adults is equal to 320 minus 40. See 320 you got the children, and 40 it is already given here, 40 children traveling in a train on a certain day. Now you have to find the adults, so here you will get the 280 adults. Okay, now see question number 10 and 11 we will do in our next class. You try if you can do, otherwise we will solve in our next class. Okay, thank you.